We are doing only projects that are ecological. Eco 360 is a very small project, but it contains more than 50 elements that makes this house very unique, energy positive, with a passive design. We need to make a better design. It's one thing to talk about the sustainability, but you actually need to make sure that you are doing the right thing in your design. Working with the BIM and doing the simulations and the optimization made me very sure that we are on the right direction right from the start. Revit helped me to make the optimization right from the conceptual phase. Later evolved into the more detailed phase of the design. We used Revit, we used Insight, Autodesk CFD. We all used the BIM methodology in order to collaborate. I think that in Eco 360 you can see hope in the architectural industry, in the AEC industry. We can make our buildings more efficient. They can work for us, producing more energy than we need, bringing back water into the land, purifying the water to try and do the right thing in order to be an energy positive house design. So it's like a good friend that is always there for you and helped me to achieve the goal of being energy positive.